as one of our own partners will see it, you're going to have the same thing going for your affiliate program. So each one of your affiliate, each one of your influencer partners will get access to an affiliate dashboard. First, it's customizable on your part, so you can put in your company logo, your company colors, write your own welcome message. From your partner standpoint, then it is unique to each affiliate of yours, basically an extension of your site. You can put it on your own domain if you would like, and it's got everything that they need to promote your site and your products. What we're doing is we're giving them access to their affiliate link. We're also keeping all of that sharing really simple for them, literally as simple as we can. We found that the easier things are for affiliates, no surprise, the more likely they are to share. So that's kind of the secret to our success on the affiliate dashboard. All right, so you get that, as I mentioned, unique referral link front and center here. This is a direct link to your website, so it is also good from an SEO standpoint. Every time somebody posts this somewhere, you get credit for a new inbound link. It can be posted simply by an affiliate hitting the copy button so they can copy and paste it, or they can make use of these social media shortcuts that I alluded to. So for example, the share on Facebook, pretty easy to do that. Just hit that Facebook button. This logs us into Facebook. It tees up a post. And then an affiliate is one click away or one tap away if they're on their phones from sharing this out to their friends and followers, who in turn see this come through their feeds. And then as they click through, credit's going to go to the affiliate who shared it. Same idea on Twitter. We just hit that tweet button, logs them into Twitter, tees up this tweet, and then same idea with an additional click, we can tweet this out. Anyone who followers who then see this come through their tweet streams, click through, credit goes to the affiliate who shared it. Instagram sharing also available. We have mobile apps that make Instagram sharing easier to get that link into Instagram situation. So I'll share those with you in a couple of minutes. As your affiliates are sharing, their progress is going to be updated in real time, so they can see that they've gotten credit for referring 27 unique visitors. Out of those, 9 of them have signed up. 9 of these folks means we have email addresses for them. And then as purchases and as commissions are accrued, these are going to populate here in real time as well. So what we're doing, we're just letting our affiliates know we've got them. We've got credit for them in real time. So we like to get them coming back to the affiliate dashboard to check their progress, because when they're here checking their progress, we've got all the social sharing buttons available for them. So kind of using this as ground zero for their engagement with our affiliate program. Moving on, our marketing materials tab has things such as banner ads, things such as infographics, so affiliates can copy and paste the HTML within here. They can copy and paste this. We've got the artwork, we've got the affiliate link embedded, so for folks with websites, here's where they can get those banners. Newsletters are emails that I'm sending out to our affiliates. I'm sending them from within Lead Dino itself. We do have integrations now with HubSpot, Aweber, if you're looking to send affiliate newsletters out through those systems as well. So here is an example of an affiliate newsletter that I sent out at the end of January. This is kind of my formula. I let our affiliates know that commissions are going out the door. That's usually a nice way to get everyone's attention. And then also, if I've got something new that they can share, something unique they can go to social media with, I find that's always nice as well. Gives them the heads up, inside scoop on something unique that they can share out there on the social media side of the world. Finally, for those affiliates of yours who are power users, sending in a lot of traffic, they want to see where their traffic is coming from, we've got an analytics tab to encourage them to just kind of keep grinding away at what they are doing. So we've got the affiliate analytics now available. This was a popular feature request. So we've got this available now as well from the affiliate dashboard. So all these options are customizable. You see here on the left side, you can dial in the complexity or dial it up, dial it down as you would like based on what you're seeing from your affiliates. All right, let's hop over now to Lead Dino itself. So let me go ahead and log in. Oh, actually, let me show you the mobile app. So I promised that we've got mobile apps available. We've got them for both Android and for iPhone devices. So when we're looking at helping them share on social media, making stuff even easier for them, affiliate dashboard for Android and for iPhone devices. The way that these work is that your affiliates download these apps. They put in their email address. We will recognize them as a member of your affiliate program and invite, basically put your dashboard directly onto their phones. Okay, let me get into Lead Dino itself here. So I will log into one of my accounts. We are going to start off on the content section, which is about halfway down on the left-hand side. This is where you can customize the affiliate dashboard that I just walked you through. So the whole look and feel of that affiliate website, customizable from the content section. Configure affiliate website is the button that we want, and then this will take you through, and you can kind of step through these as you have time to set up your mobile version, go with your color scheme, get your logo in there. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to put the affiliate website on your own domain, you can do that here using our custom domain feature. Everything throughout the header, introduction, instructions, all customizable as well. So you can use these, just type in new text as you would like. You could also insert images. You can insert links as you want. You can embed HTML directly. We do support custom CSS, so if you want to further style the affiliate website, you can do that. Custom fields, if you want to collect additional info from your affiliates up front, have them opt into terms of service. So lots of options here that you can toggle up, down as you'd like. Also, in the content section, we have the Facebook post that I showed you earlier. So when affiliates are doing that share, where does this pull from? So this is coming from the content section of the Facebook post. So this is where you can write it. I think getting your affiliates, getting this pre-written for your affiliates, getting them off to a nice head start. In my experience, you're going to encourage them to share. You're going to get more sharing if you do this. So everyone kind of wins having this stuff available. So having the tweet available for your affiliates to share. This is also something I would encourage you to do. So you can write these initially, and then every so often you can update the contents here. What I like to do is if I do it on a monthly or so basis, I find that that's a nice balance. Just takes me a few minutes, but for our affiliates who are frequently out there sharing on social media, it's a nice way to reward those folks for their sharing and for their efforts. Moving on to our tools section. So this is where you can compose the affiliate newsletter if you're going to write it from within Lead Dino. This is what that last one looked like. So these do land in your affiliates' inboxes directly. Again, I think if you can combine this with some sort of news item, something that you want them to promote, that gives them something unique they can take out there to social media on your behalf. And remember, they're basically doing free PR for you. Really, we're rewarding them if it results in a sale, but everything that they're doing on social media is just kind of a net benefit, gravy for us. So helping them out in that capacity, that would be my tip there, is if you can share something new with them. We also have some automated emails, and these are especially nice because they're going to fire off based on certain events. You don't have to sit there and send these emails individually. So for example, when a new affiliate signs up with you, we got a welcome email. It's going to give them their affiliate link. It's also going to give them the link to their affiliate dashboard. So it's got everything that they need to get up and running, join your affiliate program. We've got weekly update emails that are going to go out here, so we can let folks know how they did for the week. So the number of visitors, number of leads, number of purchases that they each got credit for. We can even let folks know every time they get credit for a new lead or a new purchase with individualized emails like that. All right, let's wrap up with affiliate recruitment, and then we get into any questions that you have. So I will get into this last topic, which is probably one of our most popular ones as well. So how are we going to get affiliates to join your program? So first, we do set you up with an affiliate sign-up page. So if I log out of the affiliate dashboard here, this is what someone sees if they land on your affiliate dashboard and they are not yet an affiliate of yours. So they've got the opportunity to sign up, a quick little first name, last name, email, so they can jot in their info here. This is a link that you can, again, you can put it on your own website if you would like. We've got a domain we host for you out of the box. You can share this site with your current email list, promote this, link to it from your website. So go into your existing base, get those folks signed up for your program. We also have an affiliate invitation email coming out of Lead Dino that you are welcome to take advantage of. So this is a way that we can invite your new customers as they buy from you and invite them to join your affiliate program. So this is a good way to grow your affiliate program organically as well. Just over time, and again, as you're selling, those are good folks to contact about joining your affiliate program. You can see this feature works quite well for us. So we're closing in on 1,900 affiliates on our side, and then we've got 25 in the last week, 4 in the last day, and a lot of this is just because of our customer acquisition, turning those folks into affiliates of ours. We also have an affiliate network, and this is going to be in the network tab in the lower left corner. Nice way for you to get a hold of affiliates and influencers who you may not have access to today, but for folks who are currently promoting products like yours on a commission-only basis. So to join the network, you'll hit the network tab there that will redirect you over to ecommerceaffiliates.com. This is what affiliates will see then. So we will get your profile set up where we will talk about your product. We will talk about your affiliate program. Folks can hit the apply button to join your program, and then they will be given access to your affiliate dashboard if you've got auto approval on. We also send out email newsletters that talk about 5 affiliate programs in each industry at the same time here as well. So we talk about your products. We especially talk about your affiliate program. If you would like to be featured in one of these newsletters, let me know when you get signed up and I can work with you on that. We'd love to, especially if you're new, we'd love to get you featured. We knew all this, and all this is complimentary with your current Lead Dino subscription as well. So something you can take advantage of right away. All right, finally, let's get into any questions that you have. So I did see someone had their hand up, so if you want to go ahead and type in whatever is on your mind, I can get to that in a moment here. Let me also show you how to get additional support. So phone, email, live chat, info going to be available 7 days a week. Live chat is actually now 24/7 throughout the work week. So through Friday, you can always find somebody on live chat on the website or within the app. You can also schedule a one-on-one phone call. So if you'd like to do a one-on-one follow-up, let me send you the info here as well if you're interested in doing that. Okay, let's see if we have questions. So the questions that we have, which integration for affiliates to sign up for our program? So I believe you're looking for the affiliate sign up page, which is going to be out of the box located at your domain.leaddino.com, but you are welcome to take advantage of our affiliate network as well. So to review that, what you'll do is when you're logged in within Lead Dino, go ahead and hit the network tab, and then that will let you hook up your Lead Dino account with our affiliate network. So that would be the way to do that. Easiest way to do it is just going to be from within Lead Dino itself. Hit the network tab, and that will redirect you over. Okay, question on affiliate commissions, and this is a popular question that I get in terms of what we should potentially offer. I did a write-up looking at the affiliate programs across 21 different product categories. I broke down what commissions these programs are doing, and I looked at the top 10. So these are, again, the affiliate programs you may want to emulate. Of course, every business is different. Every product is different. So not saying that these are the be-all, end-all, but if you're looking for some intel on what folks in your industry are offering, this is a good starting point. So I will also give you this link here. So if you're interested, you're welcome to read this piece. Let me know if you have questions in terms of setting up your affiliate commissions. If you need a hand setting those up in the system, that's something that we can help you out with as well. Okay, and with that, looks like we will let you go. So again, contact info. If you need help, affiliate network or anything else, Brett@leaddino.com will go back to me. Anything you got about this webinar goes back to me, so I can help you out one-on-one with anything that you have there. Otherwise, hope you have a great rest of your Monday and a great week ahead. Stay in touch. Let us know how we can help with your affiliate program launch. So we'd love to help you out. Thanks for attending. Thanks for the good questions, and hope to hear from you soon.